I am from Pune. My name is Vihanga Shivale. Here I am going to show you the experiment of blooming paper flower. Here I have used normal tap water and the flowers of different materials. It contains the process of capillary action. In this principle, the water molecules travel from the spaces between paper molecules and they increase the weight. And when we put it in water, it blooms. So here I have tried with the different materials like crepe paper, chart paper, A4 sheet, and handmade paper and newspaper. So we can see that the times are different of every paper.
Which one blooms faster here?
Yes. The fastest is this paper. It took only 2 seconds to bloom.
Okay.
So it is thinner, so it takes only 2 seconds.
Not the crepe paper.
No, it is not.
And which takes the longest time to bloom here?
The longest time is taken by craft paper. Yeah, chart paper or craft paper. Then I have changed the size of these flowers. So when I change the size, smaller took only 5 seconds, but the larger took 15 seconds to bloom. Then I change the temperature. Temperature hot water took 2 seconds as the molecules move faster in hot water. Then here I have tried the same with natural tuberose flowers. So yellow took 4 hours, as you can see here, and it is
or like for the color to reach up. Okay.
So it is completely filled with yellow color. Then the red also took 4 hours. You can see slight difference. Green took 24 hours. It is very small difference. We cannot
Make out
understand
the
it
color, no?
And the blue did not, as I
You do
used.
not change the color at all. You use food coloring for these?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.